guys, welcome to another video. It's been a long time, it's been a while that I haven't uploaded any makeup videos. So this is as per request and updated one because what I have is already stone age. O, diba? Stone age na nga daw. So, and also there are people who's asking me a new updated one. How do I apply my basic foundation? So, watch and see. This is for you, for you, for you. A good makeup is not enough. O, diba? I learned that from experience. Because if you don't take care of your skin, then it's not gonna be a good wear on makeup. What am I saying? Ang ingay kasi ni Kuya! Makeup, you should also take care of your skin kasi masisira yan if you put a lot of things on your face. So if you don't take care of it, magsisag, masisira. So before putting on makeup, you have to cleanse. What do you call that? Cleanse, tone, and moisturize. So this is what we're gonna do. So I always said that this is my holy grail when it comes to toner. So ito siya. Kita niyo. First, of course, you have to wash your face. Then put your favorite toner, whatever works for you. That will be great. It will be fine. Toner, you have to moisturize. Today, I'm gonna use this. Let's see. This I'm gonna use this Maxon Hydra Max Cream. Yes. Put it on my neck. So put it over here. Then. So as I've said, anything na moisturizer you're using, use it. Everybody has their own skin type, so I hope you choose the right moisturizer for your skin type. So when you put it, most moisturizer, I put it here on my T-zone, on my cheek, and then I just damp it like this. Diba? Pak na pak ang moisturizer. Whatever excess, I put it on my neck. We always forget our neck. Then our neck also is part of your skin. So moisturize it, cleanse it. So that's it. Oh, ang ingay! Anyways, yan yun. Moisturizer, guys, if you're going out, so I assume that you're going out, or whenever you put your makeup on a daytime, always put a sunscreen. I'm using this sunscreen tinted by Bello. I love it. I haven't done any review about it because I didn't have time. Pasensya na. But ever since I used this like a year ago, I always bought it and it works on my skin. So it's maganda siya, guys. Anyway, comment down below if you want me to make a review on this one. Yan lang. So I put just a little. So remember, put a sunscreen on your face when you're putting a day makeup. Dami, diba? Dami before any makeup, yes. Because it will protect your skin. The reason we're doing all of these things before we put makeup is to protect and take care of our skin. Have to put, before anything else, makeup and all, you have to put a primer. So today I'm using my favorite primer also. This is, hindi siya makita, of course nakikita nyo, the Pore Professional by Benefit. They have different kinds. Itong pore na glass skin, if you want that kind of glass skin makeup, you can use this one. But I prefer and always love this blue one, this blue type. So the same thing, you dab it on your face. Usually, what is the purpose of primer? It makes your skin like velvet texture, o diba? Espalto, kumbaga. Oh, yan, velvet side. So, I don't put it all over my face, only on the T-zone, and on my cheeks, and on my chin. Because most of the makeup product, it will go in there. That's gonna be your base on how to have a flawless foundation or base on your makeup. So after that one, let's go on to putting foundation. Okay, for today, I'm gonna use this the Maybelline 24-Hour Super Stay Foundation. Actually, this is my third bottle, guys. Full coverage to, guys, and my color is 28. Sometimes I go number 10 kasi mostly magkapareho lang sila. This other one that I have, it's number 10. By the way, the numbers, if you can see, crystal clear lang bottle yan, pero you'll get confused by the color, but they have numbers also at the back. Pero ano siya, nasa glass, so you have to really look into it before you take color of foundation. Test it before you buy it anyways. So usually I mix them both because to achieve my color, it also has a number pala dito sa baba. 21 nude beige, number 21, and the other one that I'm using is 30 cents. Usually nude beige I use it. So it has this pump also. Siya na yan. Pump din siya, guys. This is what I loved about this foundation. Wet sponge. Tama ba? Yes. Because I've discovered, because I have pores na eh. Medyo malaki yung pores ng lola nyo. So, if I use this wet sponge, it will, whatever excess product, it will goes into this sponge. It's really nice. Like, you know, try to experiment. Sometimes you use brush, sometimes you use sponge. Whatever works on your skin, better stick to it, o diba? Anyways, so I said 2 pumps, a little goes a long way. So you just have to mix it like this, and then you put it. Actually, guys, I don't have a mirror. I'm just looking at the cameras. O diba? Don't be scared na marami siya. What the sponge do is blend it and then stick into your face. I love this also. I'm gonna use the Maybelline Fit Me and Fit Me number 20. How do you 20? Hindi na maalam. Ano ba yan? 20 yan, guys. 20. And you know everything about me. 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 You know every Basic one. If you don't want to put anything, just like do like this, put powder. You can do it in 5 minutes, 10 minutes, like that. Anyways, so to finish, to conceal everything you put on your face, you have to put a finishing powder. Sometimes people, they love to use loose powder like that, but for me, I'm using a ta-da! Yes guys, I'm using this Bench Daily Spell powder. It's a magic powder. It has actually UV sunscreen vitamin E already. So this is my loose powder. I don't buy, you know. I tried it before, yung different kinds of loose powder, but it has the same effect. And I put this in a small container. Parang yung mga loose powder container din. This is how it looks like. Yes. Over here, clear foot. Yeah, diba? It's not white. It's kind of orange. It's a, what do you call this? Kalimutan ko. What do you call this? Anyway, I bought it from Mumuso. Yung mga sponges na ganito siya. So, I just conceal it like this on my face. Because I don't want to lose the product that I put already on my face. So, just conceal it. Slowly, 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 slowly. Ayan. Huwag naman kumamadali ka. I-tap-tap mo lang dyan. Push the product on your face. Oh, see the difference, guys? Oh. Diba? It's my... And you put it on the side also. Like this basic powder. How much this cost me? Maybe 20 pesos or something. I forgot na. It's in one of my haul from the Philippines. Maybe it's something like that, the price. Also, don't forget your neck. And if you have expensive product and you don't know how to use it, then it's useless, diba? And for mommies like me, kahit I'm an OFW outside living in UAE, I rather spend my money on my children or things that I really needed. O, diba? Nanako eh. Practicality. So, you just put, o, diba? It's flawless. You have a flawless skin. So, that's how I put foundation. Basic foundation, guys. If you're one of those people who are blessed with good skin, well, thank God for it. But for those who have so many imperfection on the face, see, blah, tadan. Diba? Nice na diba yung skin mo, guys. It's ready for makeup. And if you don't want to put any makeup, just want to be flawless, like this lang, o, diba? So, ganda na ba? Ganda na ba, guys? Hope you learned something, and my tip is find the right color for your skin. Always wear and test them, and then you can never go wrong.
On my mind, succeeding with hope, and you were sure I couldn't agree that we were meant to be. But our love is what they talk about, what they talk about.